is going on, everybody? Clay, or Claremont Pigs, most of y'all know me back. A little background real quick. I'm not normally a recorder, I should say, on YouTube. I'm usually a live streamer on Mixer. So I just did one song yesterday. Tom McDonald put out White Trash. So I went ahead and did a reaction video to it just to see how it felt. It felt pretty good. Got a lot of good feedback from it. And I actually got my first request to do a song. And I was like, okay, I guess I'll do another one then. So, and the request was for Madchild, his album Banned from America. The track was Mental Explosion. He was a feature in Tom McDonald's song yesterday. That is the only time I've ever seen this man. So I'm assuming this is gonna be a rap song. I'm assuming. I don't know, and it doesn't look like it's a video either. I think it's just audio only. And we'll see if I can catch any of these bars or not. Because I just recently got back into the whole more country rap than anything. The Upchurch, you know, K Noel and Adam Calhoun, Jelly Roll, all them. But yeah, I'm not real good. I've been a metalhead for like the last 10 years before that, so not real good at catching the bars yet. So we'll see how this goes. But I appreciate y'all. Let's go.
Number 2, we're gonna get this done on time. Singing.
I like that beat. That beat is nice. And it's kind of old school. But of course, this was 8 years ago, so.
I was meant to be frozen, thought and eventually chosen by God. It's a mental explosion, bloodstream full of poisonous potion, spit, pain, acid, rain, and corrosion, heart full of
Spits, acid, rain, and corrosion. I like that.
rage, tears fill the ocean, complex thoughts and my acts are ferocious. I have cracked, I'll attack these vultures. They say that the end of the world is approaching. I am in a troubled spot, but I don't care. I am swamped with the thoughts of me conquering like Juggernaut. Made of rock, I will stomp with these rugged thoughts, and I will no longer act out the devil's plot. When I die, I hope to go to heaven an hour before the devil finds out. I know I'm dope, I'm on another level, but afraid that they're gonna never find out.
I like that. That's pretty good there. When I die, I hope to go to heaven an hour before the devil finds out. I like that.
When I die, I hope to go to heaven an hour before the devil finds out. I know I'm dope, I'm on another level, but afraid that they're gonna never find out. Madchild rocks, mohawk, and a tomahawk. I'm a little maniac, armed with atomic bomb. Nobody can help you. I will fucking catch you and scalp you, torch you.
I'd say a little maniac probably describes him pretty well from what I've heard so far.
Burn you and melt you, it's torture. I will burn down your fortunes with torches. The magic of warlock and sorcerers. Send a messenger by horse to the castle. I will send him back with his head in a basket. Split personality depends on the mood I'm in. Put them all together, then it's lunacy in unison. Extraterrestrial, barbaric mind state. Banned from America, very bad character. When I die, I hope to go to heaven.
He just sounded so, I don't know, innocent when he said that. Banned from America. Very bad character. I don't know, it just caught me as funny.
An hour before the devil finds out. I know I'm dope, I'm on another level, but afraid that they're gonna never find out. God forgive me. Thought I was mischievous and clever. Nope. But devious endeavors enslave your soul. I've emerged from the darkness, reborn like Hellspawn, back underground like Deltron. Daily dosage of Red Bull, Suboxone, and nicotine installments. Ripping through this goblin, sickening involvement. Bastards that feed off my dastardly deeds, they are mass.
Did he say daily doses of nicotine installments? Pretty sure that's what he said. Play.
Of greed, from being general of hell's army to God's servant. Not perfect, but now observant. I slash demons and slay serpents. I am the bad guy, boy are they nervous. Thought that I would self-destruct, but was reluctant. Back to fill their bathtubs up with blood. Face responsibility and replace the tasteless. And unplug the matrix, these dum-dums are basic. When I die, I hope to go to heaven an hour before the devil finds out.
I love that hook.
I know I'm dope, I'm on another level, but afraid that they're gonna never find out. When I die, I hope to go to heaven an hour before the devil finds out. I know I'm dope. I'm on another level, afraid that they gonna never find out.
That it. That's it. That was actually pretty lit, man. I actually like that. I don't know. I need to go look up something about him now. I didn't want to look up anything about him before I did this, just because I didn't want to accidentally hear it or something. But I want to find out where he's from and all that kind of stuff now, because he's not new. Obviously, this is 8 years ago. And does he still have any new stuff he's put out? I have to try to check into it. But I appreciate the recommendation. I never would have known about this guy, because honestly, I would have forgot about it after yesterday. I'm that way. But it's pretty dope. I like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Hit that like button if you end up liking it. If you don't like it, don't hit it then, please. You can hit the like button. I don't care. But anyway, I appreciate it, everybody. Y'all have a good one. Until next time, I'll see you.